Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Wakar, your side hustle consultant. I am a local digital marketer that helps basically in my spare times, helps other either entrepreneurs or small business owners, small, basically anybody who wants to generate income, whether it's on multiple platforms. Basically, I help them, find and generate revenue online. So, and I came across, I'm gonna call it Dan, about a year ago, and he was being mentored by Philip, which they came up and they created this amazing platform, which basically helps people who want to make money online through affiliate marketing. Basically, it shows them the step-by-step strategy how a Dan Khan and made about $1 million approximately, and he's willing to help 30 people make about $30,000 a month because that's what he made, right? So if he could basically replicate that process, and he's going to help you personally by his group and coach and stuff like that. So basically what he does is that once you go ahead and pick up the copy, right, you will be, basically he helps you, anybody, to become an affiliate marketer. How does he do that? He basically, cuts out all the nonsense, cuts out all the fluff. He doesn't want you to do social media marketing. He just wants you to basically follow a simple step-by-step procedure where you could go ahead and knock it out. So basically you would come here and this would be the first page, right? And it's only $7 a month. That's crazy, right? So $7 a month, that's like a cup of coffee in New York, right? Nothing crazy. If it's, and basically this would kickstart your whole journey. How does it kickstart your journey? Is because it basically gives you a blueprint. Not only does it give you a blueprint, a lot of these offers, a lot of the other places, they do not provide you. They leave you on your own. They're like, oh yeah, well this is what you have to do. You got to go on ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus or AppSumo or Digistores or whatever their platforms are. ClickBank, like I said, there's so many of them. And basically they tell you, yeah, you got to go find the product and put it up, this, that. That's great, all great and all, but nobody tells you step by step, hey, this is what you do, this is how you do it. Not, and if you can't find a product, right, they'll basically, they give you a product pre-packaged, ready to go. And I'm all about done for you businesses, right? I don't have the time, energy, or patience to go there, click, 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 and do all that stuff. So this was a plug and play system, right? Everything is done for you. You just basically swipe it in, and you're good to go, right? Your landing pages, your swipes, all you have to do is copy paste them, all right, and that's it. You're good to go. Crazy amounts of money being made in the groups, right? You can go ahead and check it out. Yeah, and this is what you get, right? Once you're inside the course, right? Like I said, it breaks it down for you, right? It breaks it down for you, who he is. Philip, his mentor, like I said, these Philip and now Dan Cons are both heavy hitters now, right? Heavy hitters, right, in the affiliate marketing scene. All right. So yeah, so these guys are these are some people you want to learn from and mentor from, right? And they give you an exact breakdown of what to do and how to do it, how to get traffic. That's the most essential part, right? Traffic. How to outsource that work if you're technically you're not technically inclined. Email, right? So basically copy paste emails, and then I guess there's a lot more, right? Boom. YouTube as well, right? So however you can generate traffic and stuff like that, he teaches you everything you need to know, nothing you don't. And the best thing is that if you play it step by step, take your time, go ahead, boom boom boom, and you check off all the marks, you'll be guaranteed to make money, right? And you know people who have not made money online, right, are making money within 24 hours because he actually, not only that, he actually promotes your link as well, so you could get sales, right away. So that's a beauty about him as well. So he's not only teaching you as well, but he's also proving the system that it works, and you will get your money. Obviously, if you put in the work, it's not that much. It's basically if you're, one weekend, you'll be, in and out, done. basically, yep, that's good. You know, product, everything is there, great. And yeah, now if you go ahead and pick up this, you know, if you go ahead and pick up this copy, what I can do for you as a bonus is basically, I have a couple of courses out there. SaaS course, I have what you call it. Any of these, I have basically an IOTA course, which is basically infrastructure, offer, traffic, and affiliations and stuff like that. If you want, you know, once you go ahead, grab the copy, you will basically find out, and you know, I'll send you an email. Once you go ahead and get that email, you'll have all your information over there. And you know, that's it. I hopefully, you know, definitely see myself making a lot of money with this right away. All right, so I would definitely highly suggest you pick it up as well too. You know, I did buy this program myself, so full transparency. I'm all about transparency, and I did buy the program, and I'm in the program right now, and I'm trying to make my 30,000 too. Like, you know, because you know that's he's doing it right, and that's all that matters at the end of the day. It's action, and you know, action and execution. So you know, go ahead and take action, and let's go ahead and execute together, because the best thing is he teaches you how to do it in the group, right? Step by step. He's always available to reach out. He's available on Messenger. Boom, give him a call, hit him up, message him. You know, he's available once you're inside the group, obviously, right? And that's about it. I wish you guys the best of luck. You know, if you guys want, like I said, my links are right here. LinkTree.side hustle consultant, right? Go ahead, check that out right there. I do have a couple of things as well. And, you know, that's about it. Thank you guys.